Can you put this for me?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tammy.
Thank you.
Tammy.
Tammy,
Alex.
Alex,
And Victoria.
Victoria.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Let's see what it is. A new seat.
Your new seat.
I'm gonna drop it and see what it is.
You want to see what it is?
Yeah. So this is my seat. Now it's cool.
We'll go put it in the chair.
Yep.
And then you push you in. There. Do you like it?
Yep.
You do?
Yep.
Cool. Say thank you, Tammy.
Thank you, Jeremy.
Alex and Victoria.
Alex, Victoria.
Say bye.
Bye.
He's found great uses for his seat. What are you doing?
Sitting.
He likes his new seat.